Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be transforming the guest room upstairs. In a matter of hours, my brother will be coming home. We're having a birthday party, pool party here, and he's going to be staying here, and this is the room he's going to be sleeping in. So I want to get it together. I'm not gonna do much, but it's gonna make a big difference. Let's get to it. Hi again, my name is Morgan Scott. Again, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I am a recently divorced mom of 2 small children, one that just loves to be at home, making my home comfortable, clean, and beautiful. If you like content about cleaning, gardening, decorating, this is the channel. Please subscribe. I would love to have you. Enjoy. For those that may be wondering, I purchased this wall art from Amazon. I probably spent maybe about $150, if that. I love the purchase. The frames are big, they're sturdy, quality, and it does the job for the space. Here, I'm just trying to come up with a plan on how to get these frames onto the wall. I did not use a leveler. I just kind of eyed it. I got my nails, my hammer, and I went to work. All right, now we're in the guest room. And as you can see, the rug made a big difference. The wall art made a big difference. I'm about to make up the bed. And when I get these curtains up, may not happen today, it's gonna make a big difference. So when you have a room and you're trying to get that room together, rug, wall decor, curtains are a must if you want it to, you know, do what it's supposed to do. So I'm about to put the sheets on the bed. I hope you enjoyed this guest room transformation. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribers, thanks for the support. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I would love to have you. Until the next video, have a good one.